High-protein sports supplements powder weight gain building muscle tech mass gainer protein powder and how to use these supplements. Protein powders, like the ones you mentioned, are often used by athletes and fitness enthusiasts to help build muscle and increase weight. Here are some general tips on how to use these supplements. Consult with a physician. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's important to consult with a doctor to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for you. Determine your protein needs. The amount of protein you need depends on factors such as your age, gender, weight, and level of physical activity. Your doctor or a registered dietitian can help you determine the right amount for you. Choose the right type of protein powder. There are many different types of protein powders available, including whey, casein, soy, and pea. Each type has different properties and benefits, so it's important to choose the one that is right for you and your goals. Mix with the right liquids. Protein powders can be mixed with liquids such as water, milk, or juice. The choice of liquid can affect the taste and consistency of the final product, so experiment to find what works best for you. Use at the right times. Protein powders are most effective when taken after a workout, when your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients. However, they can also be taken throughout the day to help meet your protein needs. Follow the instructions. Always follow the instructions on the label when using protein powders. Taking too much can lead to adverse effects, such as upset stomach and dehydration. Note: these are general guidelines and it is important to consult with a physician or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice and help ensure that the supplements are safe and appropriate for your individual needs and goals.